Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by grouping digits in pairs from the decimal point outward. This sets place values. Once done, focus on the leftmost group and pick the largest digit whose square does not exceed that group. You write that digit as the first digit of your root and subtract its square from the group. Make sure to bring down the next pair of digits to the remainder so you can continue. This pairing controls the scale for each subsequent step. Now double the current root to build the trial divisor prefix. You treat it like a base and append a blank digit. Then test digits x from 9 down to 0 until prefix times 10 plus x times x is less than or equal to the current dividend. Once you find x, write it as the next root digit, subtract the product, and bring down the next pair. Repeat this process. Each loop explains why the divisor grows and how precision improves. Finish by repeating the double-end test loop until the remainder is 0 or you have enough decimal places for your accuracy goal. When stopping mid-decimal, consider the next digit to round correctly rather than truncating abruptly. If results look wrong, re-examine your initial pair grouping and each trial digit multiplication. A common error is misplacing pairs or miscomputing, prefix times 10 plus x times x. Correcting those fixes most problems and restores a coherent, accurate square root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.